Greetings, Royal Family, and welcome to another fun African math play session, which we also call a lesson. Last lesson, play session, we were having fun drawing the ancient Kemetic quail chick. And today, we're going to have fun in this lesson counting our cute little quail chicks. For review, remember that the quail chicken metal netter makes the sound or the w sound. The ancient Egyptians, ancient Africans utilized and created the first phoneme system or the first phonics system, which was used for our reading and writing. We also utilized the system to learn how to draw, so our learners could be excellent engineers and excellent artisans and excellent architects. That's why ancient Egypt was such a sophisticated society. And we're going to have fun today counting the quail chicks. We're going to have fun, and we're going to start here to the left. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And did you know that we have ancient Egyptians had a fun, creative way of grouping quantities so that they could quick count by using groups based on body parts? They would use a group of 5 to represent a hand. They would use a palm to represent 4. This is a hand, not a palm. Palm is another unit of measurement that was commonly used to represent 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's very important grouping system, a very important unit of measure, which I'll teach you all later. And then we also had a house, an Nguni house, that was used to teach 10. But also an African arch, a Nubian vault, is used to teach the quantity of 10. I'll teach that to you in another lesson. Then there was also the foot. We still use the foot here in America, where the foot represents a quantity of 12. I'll teach you all more about that as well. And then there's the cubit. The ancient cubit was made of, I believe, 7 palms, which was a total of, the palm is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the cubit was made up of 28 digits or units, which was 4 palms. Today, we still use the cubit. The modern cubit is 18 American inches, which is half a yard. And again, I'll teach those things to you in subsequent lessons. What we're going to have to do today, we're going to continue to count on. We've counted up to 5. And now that represents 1 hand. And then we're going to count on. I'm going to put the hand right here. We're going to come back to that later. We're going to come on. We have counting. We have, again, 1, counting on for 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we have 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, counting on from 9, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, instead of using my beads, I'm going to quick count. We call it quick count here at African Math and Bitcher. I'm going to quick count to 5. So instead of placing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 beads, I'm going to quick count and I'm going to place a hand. And I'm going to place it right here. I was counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to place it right here over the 5th quail chick. Counting on from 5, now we can count 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, Now remember, we have 10 up here, so that's a house. No, not 10. I'm sorry. We have 9 up here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then this one would be, and then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 2 groups of 9. 9 in ancient Zulu is Isishiaka Lombili. Yeah, Isishiaka Lombili is how you say 9 in ancient Zulu. And that means 10 take away 1. Okay. And the reason that's important is because the way we would write this is in ancient Egyptian is we would draw the 9 and where should I draw it? I'll draw it up here. We would draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have 9. And we have down here, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the ancient Egyptian number for addition or put together would be to place from your right. And they had a fun, very easy to learn and draw addition symbol, which were 2 feet. And these 2 feet would basically say, place toys from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And to take the toys away, the feet would just face the other direction. And we'll play that game at another time. So now we have 9. And we need to put together with another 9. Yeah. If you followed any other lessons, Isishiaka Lombili. Isishiaka Lombili means add 10, take away 1. That's what it literally means. It means add 10, take away 1. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a fun way of playing this game, where instead of adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we can do too, all you have to do to add the 5 is draw it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we can see we have a 5 here, which is a hand. Remember, we have a hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's embedded inside the 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have a remaining 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to group the 5. Remember how we group with African math? Yes, we have the system called clear carry. We're going to group the 5 in the first 9. And we're going to clear it. And we're going to carry in a hand. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to come here and we're going to clear. I'm going to clear 5. So this is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. So now we cleared the 5 and we're going to carry in a hand. So that's now 2 hands. And if we just simply remember 2 hands is the same as 10. That won't change as long as there's 5 fingers on each hand. So now we can see that we have a hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have a hand here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the same as 10. Okay, so 5 put together with 5 is the same as 10. And then we have 10, 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Okay. So that means that the answer, I'm sorry, I only put 5 here. So we don't have the answer yet. Because remember, we're putting 9, we're putting 9 together with a 9. We're putting 9 together with 9. Okay? And thank you for your patience with me so we can make sure that we play together to come to an agreement. So now you see how we have 5 put together. We have 5 put together with 9. We need to put 9 together with 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to count on from 5. We're going to count 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So now we have 9 put together with 9. All right. And again, we're going to find our 2 hands. So we have a hand here. That's 5. We have a hand here. That's 5. So 5 put together with 5 is the same as 10. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting on from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we can see the same here. We see that we have 5 put together with 5, which is the same as 10. The way ancient Egyptians and ancient Africans wrote 10 would be, again, the Nubian vault, or the African arch, and or the ancient Nguni house of 10, ancient Nguni house. So this is a house of 10. And remember, we got 10 from putting our hand together with our hand. So that's a house of 10. And then what we have left remaining is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is, if we wanted to, could be another hand. 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer for 9 put together with 9 is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another African Math play session. We would like to thank all of our supporters. Please head over to africanmath.com where we have fun lessons and resources for you to continue learning to support your math joy journey. And until next time, always remember, education is preparation for the next generation to inherit their nation. Happy learning.